The British rule in India. Okay, so let us see the chapter, the British rule in India. So, can you see the monuments here? Okay, so can you name the monuments there? Right, so there is India Gate, there's Gateway of India, right? So, name those monuments. Right, so now all these monuments which you see, these are in India, right? But these were built by British. Okay, now who are British or what is British? So British are also called the English, or they are the people which came or which are from Great Britain. Okay, so Great Britain is a country and the people living there are known as British. Okay, so the people from Great Britain are known as British or English people. So in this chapter we shall learn how the British or the English or the people from Great Britain, they established their rule in India, how they ruled in India, how they came to India and how they established their rule in India. Now, in ancient time, since ancient time, people used to travel places to places for trading. Now, what is trading? Trading means buying and selling goods. Okay, so a business, you can say it's a sort of business to buy and sell goods. So people used to travel from place to place to for the purpose of trading, and people used to travel also to explore, to see new places. Okay, see here. So this is Vasco da Gama. He was one of the explorer. He was a sailor. Okay, he used to sail. He used to travel through sea routes. Sailors are people those who travel through sea routes. Okay, so those who travel through sea routes are known as sailors. So Vasco da Gama was one of the sailor. So what he did, on May 20th, 1498, Vasco da Gama, he landed in Calicut in Kerala. It's a place in Kerala. So he landed there just for exploring things. And there he came to know that there's a place known as India. Okay, there he discovered India, and there the gates of India was open to the Europeans. Okay, to Europeans, those who didn't know about India. So Vasco da Gama was the first person, was the first sailor. He was a Portuguese. Okay, so he was a Portuguese sailor. He landed in Calcutta and he discovered India. So now when he discovered India, this exploration of his, the discovery of India, it opened the gates of India for the Europeans. Now soon what happened? The other Europeans, they came to know about India and they started to sail here. They started to travel to India. Now mostly they came in search of spices, textile, etc. Okay. So since ancient times, traders and travelers from different places of world, they used to visit different places. Okay. So what happened? During 15th century, the European sailors, they undertook remarkable explorations of sea routes. That is, they used to travel through sea routes and they explored many various places of the world. So one of the places, that is India, was discovered by Vasco da Gama first. Okay, on May 20th, 1498, he landed in Calicut and he came to know that there is a place India, and this exploration opened the gates of India for the Europeans. So soon many English, Dutch and French sailors, they traveled to India. They mostly came in search of spices, textiles, etc.